Okay, we're gonna start with a box of banana pudding, instant pudding. And we're going to just open it up and add 2 cups of milk. Hamburger first, because we like our cheese to melt. And this is just some warm taco meat. But if you wanted Mexican chicken, you could definitely put chicken in this. If you want fajita meat, you could definitely do like chicken fajita. You could definitely do steak fajita, whatever you want. But these are awful nice to go to when you're at the campground, when you're at the ballpark, when you're out and about to take in the summertime. And kids love them. A friend of mine's children, when they take this to something, they think it's from the restaurant. And the good thing is you can add the toppings you like. Here's some shredded lettuce. You can add some sour cream. And then you just take a plastic spoon and eat it with a plastic spoon. And so it's really easy cleanup and no mess. Here is our walking tacos. Now we're going to do our walking banana pudding. This is the vanilla wafers containers. And I'm going to just put my banana pudding down in there. And I'm going to cut my banana. Then last but not least,